impossible so completely. Wrong that even after studying them, researchers still have no explanation. Here are 5 animals discovered recently that broke everything we thought we knew about life on Earth. Number 1, the death ball sponge. Sponges are supposed to be boring. They sit still, filter water, eat plankton. That's it. That's all they do, except this one. Discovered in 2025 in the deepest parts of the Antarctic Ocean, the death ball sponge does something no sponge should be able to do. It hunts. It moves. It traps small animals using tiny hooks covering its entire body. Scientists found it in a zone of the ocean that had been hidden under ice for centuries, completely cut off from the rest of the world. How did it evolve? Why does it hunt instead of filter? Nobody knows. It rewrites everything we understood about sponges, which have existed for 600 million years. Number 2, orcas using tools. We always knew orcas were smart. But in 2025, scientists filmed something that genuinely shocked the research community. A group of orcas in the Pacific were observed using objects from their environment as tools deliberately, repeatedly, and teaching the technique to their young. This means orcas don't just have intelligence, they have culture. They pass knowledge between generations like humans do. And here's the part scientists can't explain. Different orca groups around the world developed completely different tool techniques independently, with zero contact between them. The same way humans on opposite sides of the planet invented the wheel separately. Nobody expected this from a marine animal. Number 3, the mouse that tries to save its friends. Scientists in 2025 published a study that nobody expected. When a mouse sees another mouse lose consciousness, it doesn't run. It stays. It sniffs it. It grooms it. It paws at it, trying to wake it up. Then, and this is the part that shocked everyone, it opens the unconscious mouse's mouth and pulls its tongue to clear its airway. Exactly like human CPR. Nobody taught it this. No training, no reward. The mouse just does it instinctively. Scientists have absolutely no explanation for why a mouse evolved the instinct to perform emergency airway clearance on another mouse. It suggests a level of empathy in rodents that we never thought possible. Number 4, the giant phantom jellyfish. When scientists broke through Antarctic ice in January 2025, ice that had covered the ocean floor for centuries, they found an entire ecosystem that had never seen sunlight. Ever. And living there in complete darkness was the giant phantom jellyfish. 4 meters long, almost completely transparent, with 4 enormous ribbon-like arms that move like a ghost. It produces its own light in total darkness. It survives with 0 sunlight, 0 warmth. Scientists don't know what it eats. They don't know how it reproduces. They don't know how many exist. It was discovered living in conditions that should make life impossible, and it was thriving. Number 5, the Walrus Supercolony. In 2025, satellites scanning the Arctic island of Svalbard picked up something enormous on a remote beach. Scientists sent drones to investigate. What they found was staggering. A haul-out of walruses so massive it had never been documented before in history. Thousands upon thousands of walruses packed together on a single beach, a gathering so large the beach was completely invisible underneath them. Scientists had no idea this location even existed as a walrus site. Which raises a terrifying question. If we can miss something this big, this obvious, this loud, what else are we missing? What other massive animal populations are out there right now, completely unknown to science? 5 animals, 5 discoveries, all in the last year alone. We like to think we know this planet. We don't. Over 80% of the ocean remains completely unexplored. Millions of species have never been named. And somewhere out there right now, something extraordinary is waiting to be found. Subscribe if that thought excites you. And comment below which one shocked you the most.